Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike with Fowler Family Farm. And today is day number 2 of this waterline build. Brandon with Rustic Woodwork and family's been out here all day today. I just got here, so he's done all the work, not me. But it's probably about 6:15ish right now, Sunday evening. He's got the line pretty much dug up. We've got a couple little things to take care of, but we can get that done here pretty quick. But Brendan's been out here since 9 o'clock in the morning. He's got it all done.
Yeah, this job should have been done yesterday, but we ran into a lot of rock.
Yeah, the rock was unbelievable.
And
so today he used a backhoe. He got that backhoe out and got to work on it, and it helped him out a lot. He still ran into some problems even using it, but you got it done, right?
Yeah. 10 foot of rock, about 3.5 hours.
Oh, that's
yeah.
Terrible. So both of us are sunburnt from yesterday.
Yeah, bad.
So he's just added on to it today. I kind of got lucky. I got out here late, so. But anyway, let's get started. We'll help him out as much as we can before it gets dark. Okay, this is the pipe I was talking about. It's taken us forever to dig through this because there's so much rock here. So we're just going to use a cutting torch to cut the pipe off. This pipe's not being used for anything. And then we're just going to run the trencher right back through here to dig everything out. Brandon's had a rough day. He just hooks this ride all the way up to the county road without falling several times. Looks like we're going to be fighting time too, because it looks like it's about to storm. Storm's building that way too.
Something I've never learned how to use.
going to my favorite place to eat. I gotta go help Brandon.
Where's that?
It's a little Mexican restaurant. Okay guys, we just cut this pipe and it's starting to sprinkle. We just cut this pipe with the cutting torch. So now we're gonna go ahead and run the trencher back through here and take care of this area. And after that, the trench is dug. All we gotta do is put the pipe in and start burying it.
All right, and I hate these gas cans.
Oh, I do too. Okay, pipe is out of the way and we have retrenched it. We had to do some special digging right there where we had to took the trencher out. So if you guys remember in the previous video, we just scratched the surface right in this area because we have this marked gas line here and it goes straight across, and you can see the yellow flags there that Okie Dig marked for us. So today, one of the things that Brandon did was use the backhoe to dig this out. He just went little by little, never hit the pipe, so we're good to go. Okay, so we got the water line up here at the front of the property. We're just gonna stick it down in there, unroll probably all the way to this area that the camera's sitting at, and then backfill this so it stays in place. Okay, so we went to reset and I forgot to hit the record button. So what I did is I tied this end off on a T-post and we rolled it out a little ways. I don't know, it's probably rolled out 30 feet. We're probably gonna continue to roll it a little bit and then move it over here to the trench and start backfilling this just so it stays in place. And then we should have an easier time rolling it from there.
Don't feel so weird when it's other YouTubers around.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree. Okay guys, we're at the end of the line. Right here is where we're gonna stop. And when I got here at like a little after 6, I could tell Brandon was exhausted. He was done. He's been out here for 8 hours and he was done. He wanted to quit. We're getting close. The pipe's right there. We've got another maybe 50 feet, 60 feet to go. And Brandon's got a little bit more pep in his step now. He's ready to go.
Yeah, it cooled off and I'm ready now.
It's been a little over 90 degrees out here today, and I promise you it's 3,000,000% humidity. And we're all drenched in sweat. This shirt's really not this dark. It's just wet, solid wet. There's sweat dripping from the tip of my bill. So
it is. It's extremely humid.
I bet we've lost 8 to 10 pounds today of water weight.
If not more.
Yeah. Somebody's using a drone. That's not fair.
Sweet.
All right, we got to beat this storm coming in.
Sounds good to me.
That's about right.
Sure did.
Hold up there.
Okay.
Oh, lightning.
I've seen that.
It's holding.
Perfect timing.
That big storm's about to hit us. It's thundering and lightning.
All right, guys, so there it is. It's finally at 500 feet. I had it marked off right at 500. Looks like there's a little bit extra, but more than enough. So what's going to happen from here? The reason why, I know I'm going to get tons of questions. Why are you running 500 feet? So I'm a Chickasaw Indian, and they have a housing program that you can actually sign up for, and it's not that you get a free house or anything. You just don't have to pay interest and taxes, and they carry the note for you. So they're going to build us a house, and there will be a mortgage and everything like that. So I have to have everything within 300 feet to the 1 acre that I've deeded over to them, and then from there they take everything else. So that was the last part. We've already got, as you see, the electric line hanging low. That's it. So now we're going to be playing the waiting game on them to come out and start the foundation. So thank each and every one of y'all for watching. As you see, Mike here in the background here, he's trying to shoot some video as well. But thank y'all so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to Fowler Family Farm, please go subscribe to them. Tell them Rustic Woodworking Family sent you. They are awesome people. Like I say, this is the second day. He didn't have to come out here and help. He volunteered, so please. He didn't have to come out here and help. He volunteered, so please go and subscribe to him. Great family. You'll like their family content. What you see is what it is. So thank each and every one of y'all. Hope y'all have a blessed night.
Okay, guys, that wraps it up. We got to the end of the line. I'm not going to close this out any better than Brennan just did. I videoed his closeout, so y'all get to see his twice if you watch both videos. So anyway, if you guys are subscribed to my channel and you're not subscribed to his, please go over there and check him out. Rustic Woodworking Family. You're going to see a lot of this property on his channel coming up, and he's going to start adding stuff to it. He says he's going to get a camel. We'll see.
Yeah,
we'll
eventually.
I think he's going to start with goats, and I've got the goats to give him, so that'll be perfect. So
that's right. We got a bunch of weeds out here. So.
Oh yeah, they will never go hungry out here. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless.